Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green beans. Getting started is simpler than you might think. First, select a sunny location in your garden that offers well-draining soil. This is crucial for healthy root development. Next, plant your green bean seeds about 1 inch deep, spacing them roughly 3 inches apart within each row. Make sure the soil temperature is consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit before you begin planting to ensure good germination. This easy method will set you up for success. Once your green bean plants emerge, consistent care is key. They need about 1 inch of water per week, so water regularly, especially during dry spells. When your plants reach about 6 inches in height, it's a good time to apply a balanced fertilizer to support their growth. Keep an eye out for common garden pests and use organic pest control methods to protect your young plants. A little attention now will lead to a bountiful harvest later. As your green bean plants grow, especially pole varieties, they will benefit greatly from support. Install stakes or a trellis early on to give them something to climb. This keeps the beans off the ground and improves air circulation. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of your plants helps retain soil moisture and keeps pesky weeds at bay. Remember to water deeply in the morning, allowing the leaves to dry before evening to prevent fungal issues. The most rewarding part is harvesting your delicious green beans. Pick them when the pods are firm, tender, and snap easily. Regular harvesting is important because it encourages the plant to produce more beans throughout the growing season. Don't be shy about picking often. The more you pick, the more you'll get. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown green beans in all sorts of dishes. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.